What's up, M&N Gang? It's your girl Naya, and today I am back with another video. Y'all, I'm by myself again, so y'all already know what that means. Y'all already know what's going on. Y'all already know what's finna happen. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Join the M&N Gang with Nick and Naya. Turn your post notification bell on. Like this video. Comment Teen Naya. Like, I want to see all Teen Nayas in the comments, y'all. Like, in the comment section. Like, y'all just seen the video yesterday. If you have not, go check that video out. So I have not been playing with it, y'all. Like, I've been on it, like, period. Like, I told him once I drop Kai, it's on, like, prank wars back to back to back to back. So, y'all, as you can tell by the title, I'm finna act like I'm finna get him a brand new car. Sight. Like, I ain't cashing out like that now, y'all. So, I'm actually gonna wrap his car in wrapping paper, Christmas wrapping paper. So, I got like a lot of extra wrapping paper left over, whatever. So, if I get anybody a gift for Christmas and it is not wrapped up, it is because of this video. Because I'm finna wrap his whole coat up, y'all. So, he actually in now feeding and burping Kai. What I'm doing, y'all, like, I ain't been nowhere with her because I've been had the wrapping paper, but I'm finna move his car to like this other area in our apartment complex, so that way I can have some room and not be cluttered by other cars. So what I'm gonna do is, when I wrap the coat, I'm gonna tell him to come outside. Like, I got a surprise for him. And guess what the surprise gonna be? His whole car wrapped in wrapping paper. So yeah, I had to park right here so he can't even see. So y'all, what I'm finna do right now, I'm finna get the camera set up. I'm finna actually set the camera up so y'all can watch me wrap this car. Like, we gonna get his reaction, y'all, to see what he do, what he say. Y'all gonna stay along with this video. Y'all comment. Not comment, don't comment, because he gonna see it. So don't comment, but DM me on Facebook, Shania Johnson. Go add me on Facebook. My Instagram is only1_SDJ, and my Snapchat is the same thing, only1_SDJ. So you'll see that at the bottom of the screen of our social media. So y'all go follow me on all of my social medias so y'all can DM me some pranks. I need some pranks. I did like some lit pranks. I did like some couple people been DM me some, and I got some in mind that I'm doing. But like I said, I ain't letting up on him. Like, it is on, period, Nick. So I hope you ready for this. But yeah, so y'all stay tuned with me. Watch the video to the end, because I'm quite sure it is going to be fun, especially when I wrap this whole car up in wrapping paper and pull up on him with the car wrap. And I'm going to tell him, unwrap your new car. Like, and it's going to be his old car. I'm so silly. But did what y'all want. Did what y'all like. This how I like to be, because this is so fun. So, yeah, y'all stay tuned, because it's lit. So y'all, I'm actually getting the wrapping paper and stuff out, and I'm gonna sit right here on the ground. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but yeah. Some more wrapping paper. I got probably about 10 rolls, maybe. About 10 rolls, so hopefully it's enough. If not, I'm gonna make it enough. Got some tape, y'all. Y'all gotta hurry up, cause if not, he's gonna be calling again on my nerve, wondering where I'm doing, where I'm at. Yeah, ain't nobody got time for that. Cause I'm pranking you, man. That's what I'm at. I'm pranking you. Y'all, I am finally finished. After almost 35 whole minutes, I'm done. Y'all like it? Can y'all see? Look, y'all. I done did the whole coat. Yeah, I actually forgot to get, I don't know if y'all can see me or not because of this freaking sun, but I forgot to get a big bow, so I done put some little bows up here, y'all. But y'all, check it out. Yeah, Team Naya, period. Team Naya. All day, every day, Team Naya. Team Naya, Team Naya, Team Naya. Team Naya, Team Naya. Yes, Team Naya. So y'all, stay tuned because I'm finna go get him. And y'all gonna be with me to see his reaction. So yeah, stay tuned. Cause it's finna be lit. Y'all comment Team Naya down below. So y'all, I just made it into the house. I told Nick to come on because I got a surprise for him. So yeah. Come on, Nick, what you doing? He take forever. Are you excited?
I don't know what the hell you gonna talk about.
Are you excited? That's the question.
I don't know what's going on.
Come on. Put this hat over your face.
For what?
And you're gonna follow me. Come on. You tripping.
Go on.
Okay, come on.
Tripping. Let me put my shoes on.
You're not going with no coat on. You're gonna stay here and then you can come in a second, okay? Your eyes covered. You can't see nothing.
I can't see what the hell I'm walking.
Put your hand right here. Hold me.
Bro, hold on. You ain't finna walk me into no stupid.
No. Calm down. Chill. Can you see?
No, I don't trust you.
Baby, chill. Come on.
No, I can walk by myself. Go ahead.
Well, how can you see?
I'll just walk. Go.
No, come on. Damn.
Bro, no. What are you doing?
Can you? I feel like you can see.
I can't see. Now, where the hell are we going to?
You finna step down.
I don't trust you, bro.
Okay. Y'all, comment down below and tell Nick he's gonna love his surprise, so he needs to stop tripping. Tell him, y'all. Baby, are you excited?
I hear a car coming, bro. What the fuck was that?
So, we playing, what was that movie?
What?
With the people were blindfolded. We playing Bird Box.
Yeah, we ain't. People died too, didn't they?
Huh?
People died.
No, we ain't dying. I got a surprise for you. Are you excited?
Nope.
It's something that you've always been wanting. It's your dream something.
What?
Are you ready?
No.
Ready.
What the hell?
Are you ready? Huh?
What?
Turn around. Turn around. Take your blindfold off. It's your new car. Unwrap it.
Man, you better not goddamn. This ain't no goddamn new ass car. Man, you done played wrap my car with it damn shit, man. You always
Wait, no, I gotta get a thumbnail.
Oh. That man, he crazy, bro.
Baby, do you love your new ride?
I love it. It's the best gift I ever had in my life.
Give me some sugar.
Hell no. Get your ass. Get your cheap ass on. Something about paying for.
Y'all, them 35 minutes of me sneaking off was worth it, y'all. Yes, baby. Tell the M&N gang, thank you for your gift. They the one told me to do this, and I did it to you.
I want a new car, not the same one I've been had.
Yeah. Y'all, baby, you ungrateful. I done gave you a whole car for Christmas, and you tripping.
Yeah, when about paid off. You should have been gave me making the payments on the motherfucker too.
Oh, y'all, so this been fun, y'all. I really enjoyed doing it, y'all. Baby, check your car out. What you doing? What you got going on?
Nice.
He said it nice, y'all.
This man here done play. So really don't play.
Yes, y'all. So once again, y'all go check out all of our Vlogmas videos. Not even just the Vlogmas, just all of our videos, just period, from old to new. Just go on and binge watch.
You want to do something, wash it up and make
Baby,
it look
you are being ungrateful. It took me 35 minutes to wrap this car by myself. You're being ungrateful. Say thank you. I did this for the M&N gang. period.
Damn, so y'all should have told her to get a new one.
Y'all, this is Vlogmas Day 10. Y'all are about to see this now because it's finna up, it's finna drop. So y'all go ahead and turn the post notification bell on so you are notified when it do hit YouTube, period. So this been lit, it's been fun. Once again, y'all DM me some ideas, pranks, challenges, vlogs, whatever y'all want to see, we got y'all. But until then, y'all stay tuned for tomorrow's video. We're out. You got something to say, babe?
I want a new car.
Baby, you gonna get that. You got a new one. You got a candy cane one.
I want a, what kind of car I want?
You got a candy cane.
I want that AMG.
I got you. Y'all, we got them though. We got them.
Hellcat. I don't want no Hellcat for real. Everybody got a Hellcat.
Y'all tell him.
I want that AMG though.
Comment down below. We got him. Team, now you got him, period. But until then, y'all, we are out. It's been real. Peace.